Hello everyone, welcome to NJPS online classes. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. Festivals. Yeah, festivals we celebrate in our country, that is India. So let's begin. India is a country that has many different kinds of people living happily together with each other. Children, can you see over here? So many different kinds of people live in India. And so we are blessed to celebrate so many different kinds of festivals. First, we will know something about our national festivals. Festivals we celebrate to show our love for our country are known as national festivals. Children, does your parents set rules for you on how to behave in your house with others? Yes, they do, right? They do certain rules for you. The same ways, there are certain rules we Indians need to follow to live in our country. The rule book is known as Constitution of India, and to celebrate this, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. On this day, parade takes place at Rajpath in New Delhi, the capital of India. Independence Day, the day we got freedom from British rule, 15th August 1947. Many leaders helped us to get freedom. Gandhi Jayanti, the birthday of father of our nation, our very own Bapu, Gandhiji. We celebrate his birthday on 2nd October. We are very much blessed that he led a non-violent freedom movement for India. Now, let us know about some other popular festivals. Who all love to fly kites? Raise your hands. Oh God, so many. Wow. Do you know there is a festival to fly kites? Yes, Makar Sankranti is the festival of flying kites, celebration of beginning of spring season after a very cold winter. Makar Sankranti. Holi hai! Who doesn't like to play Holi with colors, pichkari, and the real awesome Holi food of thandai, gujia, and mithai? Holi, the festival of colors. Holi hai! Balle Balle, the New Year of Six. Baisakhi. Baisakhi. Eid Mubarak, everyone. Eid al-Fitr, the festival of Muslims. Small children get Eid as gift on this day, and we eat tasty sevai kheer to celebrate Eid. Raksha Bandhan, the festival to celebrate love between brothers and sisters. Sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers, and brothers bless sister with love and a promise of protecting her always. And what's the best part of this festival also? Yes, exchange of gifts and food. Raksha Bandhan. Hathi Ghoda Pal ki, Jai Kanhaiya Lal ki, the birthday of Lord Krishna. Yes, Lord Krishna's birthday is celebrated throughout India. And what do we play on that day? Dahi Handi. Yes, the birthday of Lord Krishna. Janmashtami. Happy Navratri to all. Happy Durga Puja to all. Happy Dashera to all. Same festival, various names. Navratri is celebrated in Gujarat, Rajasthan, and parts of Maharashtra. We play Garba during Navratri. In Bengal, this festival is known by the name of Durga Puja. And in other parts of the country, we celebrate Dashera, the win of Lord Ram over Ravan. Navratri, Durga Puja, Dashera, one of the major festivals of India. Diwali, the festival of light, decoration, and celebration. Yes, Diwali, the homecoming of Lord Ram in Ayodhya. We all celebrate this festival with much love and excitement. Diwali. Guru Purab, the festival of Punjabis throughout the world. On this day, Punjabis celebrate the birth of their Guru, Guru Nanak, Guru Purab. Yes, the last festival we are going to discuss today is Christmas. Christmas, the birth of Lord Jesus. Merry Christmas. On this day, we decorate Christmas trees and we also wish to our dear Santa for gifts and for well-being of one and all. Christmas, the festival of love, happiness. Merry Christmas to all. Hope you all enjoyed the class. Happy learning. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.